Hi friends of YouTube. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download files or applications from Google Drive. To start, we need to go to Google's search engine and type in Google Drive. Click on the search button and then click on the Sign In option. If you already have a Gmail account, you'll automatically have a Google Drive account. If not, you'll need to create one by entering your email and password. Once we're in the interface, you'll see that I have 4 files. How do we download them? It's as simple as right-clicking on the file you want to download and then clicking on the Download option. The file will start downloading in our browser. If you want to share the file with others, you'll need to do the same thing, but this time click on Get Link instead of Download. The link will start loading, and from there you can also send the file to Gmail accounts that you have saved, or you can copy the link to share it on websites or blogs. Let's do a test. We're going to download the file using the link we copied earlier. Go to the Google search engine, right-click and select Paste. Wait for it to load, and you'll see the document open. To download it, click on File at the top left, then click on Download. You'll be prompted to choose a format. In my case, I'll download it in PDF format. Click on it, and it will start downloading. It's that simple to download files from Google Drive. Well, friends, that's all for now. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time.